Yeah, my name's Don Cameron, and Nick called me a couple of hours ago and said he had a swarm of bees in his front yard, and I said I'd come over and see if I could get them out of here and recapture them, and if I can do it successfully, then I'll be able to start a new hive. But the problem is there's a lot of bees right in here, and they're sort of around the main trunk. I'll put them in a new hive and let them start all over again. So I'll provide the home that they're looking for. And I'm going to open this hive up and just dump these bees in here. So these bees have swarmed from somebody who's got a hive somewhere around here, and they're in the process of trying to find a new home, and this is just a temporary spot for them.